Do you or your team need a new brochure, presentation, or social post, but your design team's busy? Or the right file's impossible to find or edit? We've got you. Meet WeBrand, the enterprise platform for template management that turns your brand assets into editable templates every team can use. Connect your company's files or design tools and create your company's branded templates using your assets, apply element restrictions, and then publish them to a self-service portal where every team can instantly find what they need, ready to use. Now your team can simply browse, select a template, make quick updates, and export. No delays, no design chaos, no off-brand content. With WeBrand, creating professional, on-brand content becomes simple because everything you need is finally in one place.